It is always good to follow someone who talk logically, have good knowledge and unbiased. So in this video, we are going to talk about some spiritual leaders. Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Who are spiritual leaders? So spiritual leaders depend on the Holy Spirit. Spiritual leaders work within a paradox, for God called them to do something that, in fact, only God can do. Ultimately, spiritual leaders cannot produce spiritual change in people. Only the Holy Spirit can accomplish this. Yet, the Spirit often uses people to bring about spiritual growth in others. Gaur Gopal Das. Gaur Gopal Das is an Indian spiritual leader, motivational speaker, and lifestyle coach. Since 1996, he has been serving as a monk. He is popular on Instagram and YouTube, also on Facebook, and his motivation videos are viewed by millions of people around the world. He is inspiration for too many youths, and the way he represents Ramayana and Mahabharata through a series of humor, inspiration, and motivation is liked by one and all. He has given many seminars, talks, and he sometimes talks at the Prerna Festival of Youth. He holds 2.7 million of subscribers on YouTube.
Love is less about my rights and more about responsibilities for your welfare. It means striving for the physical, emotional, spiritual welfare of the person whom we truly love. Love is less about knowing the person and more about caring for the person. Didn't someone say, I do not care how much you know until I actually know how much you care.
Brahma Kumari, Sister Shivani. Sister Shivani, a name almost all homes of India are aware of. Sister appeared on television series Awakening with Brahma Kumaris in 2007. She spoke on many episodes about living values, self-management, inner powers, harmony in the relationship, law of karma, healing, self-empowerment, discipline, about Brahma Kumari organization, spirituality and art of living. Many people around the world are benefited from Awakening episodes. She holds 2.5 million of subscribers on YouTube.
Now there's another attachment, emotional attachment. Emotional attachment means my mind is connected to their mind, attached. So if one is upset, the other person naturally upset. Even अगर नहीं होगे तो वो बोलोगे आप upset नहीं हो रहे मुझे देखकर आप upset. इसका मतलब आप मुझे प्यार ही नहीं करते इसलिए आप upset नहीं हो रहे. तो हम नहीं भी हो रहे थे तो होने लग जाते हैं.
Swami Mukundananda. Swami Mukundananda is a teacher of yoga, meditation and spirituality. He is founder of Jagadguru Kripaluji Yoga, a non-profit organization which offers a unique yogic system. Swamiji has traveled across continents, inspiring people in incorporating the knowledge of his scriptures into their daily lives. He reveals the secret of Vedas, Upanishads, Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, Puranas and other Indian scriptures with religious scientific logic in the modern context. Along with the Indian scriptures, he also masterfully quotes the Bible and the Quran. His pleasing personality adheres him to one and all, irrespective of their nationality or religious inclination. He holds more than 1.7 million subscribers on YouTube.
I was going to Badrikashram, and one man came by him. They were both doing Padyatra, walking to the holy place. So this man asked the sadhu, Babaji, how long will it take for me to reach Badrikashram? The sadhu did not answer. He just kept walking alongside with him. After 1 hour, he said, it will take you 7 hours. So this man said, I asked you a question 1 hour ago. Now after 1 hour, you are saying it will take me 7 hours. The sadhu said, when you asked me, I did not know what speed you walk at. How can I tell you will reach in this time? Now I have checked you out, it is 6 kilometers an hour, so it will take you 7 hours.
Sadhguru Jagi Vasudev, known publicly as Sadhguru, is an Indian yogi and author. In 2017, he was awarded the Padma Vibhushan by the Government of India for his service in the field of social service. He is consistently helping all age group people to uplift their mind to reach true happiness and peacefulness in today's busy life. He created the Isha Foundation, where he used to give yoga training to help today's youth to control your body by giving right thoughts and inputs to their mind. Sadhguru Jagi Vasudev is very different as compared to another motivational speaker because he is talking about the inner peace. He believes that you can achieve true success in your life if you feel ultimate peacefulness inside your mind. Sadhguru Jagi Vasudev holds 5 million subscribers on YouTube.
More issues come up in your life means you're living a more active life. Nothing came up means you're not living. Yes, lots of issues every day. I have the maximum number of trouble going on in my life on a daily basis because so much of activity around the world.
I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching.